Hello everyone! Today we have the time I got reincarnated as the slime Rimuru Tempest. Now we have it assembled and with its base, the figure stands at 10 inches tall. The figure itself is about 7.9 inches. This is a Maximatic figure from Banpresto, which means it has a larger size than a normal figure. At the price of the price figure, I'm very impressed by the quality. Rimuru jumps high to the sky and a slash. Now we take a closer look at his face. That's pretty good, right? Okay, if you would like to get this figure, we have a deal going on this week. We have limited quantity available. Order it now from our shop. Thank you for watching. See you next time.